This is a monthly reading for you, Capricorn, for the month of September. In this reading, I'm going to take out cards to see how's the month looking, and then I will do Reiki distance healing to balance the chakras for you. You should note that this is a general reading, so everything will not resonate with all Capricorn, and whatever may will vary in the intensity. Also, I have put up my newsletter on Gumroad. You want to click on the link, it's given in the description box, and then click on the link, go to the Gumroad page. It will ask you for as you will try to download, it will ask you for a price. So if you want to donate something, you can enter a certain price, otherwise just enter a 0 and you can download the newsletter for free. So it's made with lot of love. I have put in my tarot insights, my tarot visions, how it helped me to learn tarot and become the ace tarot card reader. I don't get much time to do the readings. I have a full-time job, so I'm not able to do a lot of quick videos. But if you would like to get a personal reading, do write to me, and do download my newsletter from Gumroad. As I said, you can download it for free, just enter the price as 0, and you want to share it with as many people, put it on some platform, make it as public as possible. More the traffic, good it is. And there is a lot of clairvoyant topics that I talk about: spirituality, rune stones. So there's a whole lot that you can read and get to know about. So coming back to the readings, Capricorn, when I see this in area of improvement, this has come for the third time for a sun sign this month. So Capricorn, when I see this card, it's telling you to connect back with your friends and enjoy the simple things in life. So some of you, if you think just going for a walk is the most boring thing, it is not. You need to change the perspective and start to enjoy life in every moment, in every day, and not push it for maybe when you have a holiday and you will travel. Not like that. It's telling you enjoy your life, the simple things in life. Maybe if you're dining, you're going out, enjoy that experience. So there's a lot to be appreciated for, and there's lot of love to be had if you connect back with people. You are your gentle and innocent, nice self. There's a lot of love and support coming your way. Now, what is the strength you can work with? One of your strengths is you like to follow through or put through what you have learned as probably as education, or you have received as a training. But then there is a certain self-doubt that you should have. This guidance is saying check back, look back. If you're being told to recorrect, revisit, and then move ahead. Don't just keep walking ahead with what you know and keep doing things. It's telling you to look back or come back and then recheck your work if it is done well. So this is your strength. Whatever you have learned or you have taken education is in, you are really moving ahead and you want to get a lot of things done. Some of you have very good communication also. Now, how will be your social interactions or dealings with people? Socially, you're trying to move away from a lot of people. I don't know why. Maybe you've had a certain fight. I'm seeing a lot of swords here, and you're traveling and you're not talking to many people. So socially, things are not at on top of the things in the month of September. You're trying to avoid a lot of people. This is a guidance where we foresee what is coming. So it's literally telling you to avoid people if you are in conflict or pain, and do what needs to be done. And if you need to go for a travel, do it. Maybe take a family trip if it is needed. Also, some of you feel with certain friends you're more in a prison than feeling free to speak as you like. You feel you get judged by people. That's how it's going to be in the month of September. Now, what is it that is unexpected and coming along? Unexpectedly, I see certain worries. And you see, there are a lot of swords which are growing. First, you're holding one sword, then they became 6, and then there are 9. First of all, don't over analyze things, Capricorn. You need to keep it easy, and you also need to go easy on yourself. Also, when so many swords are multiplying, it's saying that a lot of communication is happening. Maybe some of you could go for a silent retreat, or start to practice silence and not say so many things to people or hear so many things. Maybe even if you want to say two things, just say one. If you have 10 things to say, maybe just say three. You need to cut down on the amount of communication that's happening in September. As I said, there's a lot of talking that is happening. There's one sword, then it grows to 6, and then to 9. And the more you talk, there's always going to be conflict of some sort, that you get interpreted like this, you got interpreted like that. And on top of the things is how you are not getting along with a lot of people, and your friends or your social acquaintances are not so understanding, where you almost feel like you're in a prison. So how's overall the month of September? The good part is you're coming out victorious, so there's a lot of victory, a lot of position and authority coming your way. You are like this positive vibe, someone who's sunshine. You have a lot of positivity. People get inspired looking and talking to you, and you're like a breath of fresh air. So it's all looking good. I see you in a position of power and authority. Some of you are literally getting promoted, and it's just beautiful. It's almost like people will elect you instead of you contesting a certain vote bank or election. People are going to just elect you, that you are the right person for this position. Or some of you, when I see this, it's also telling me what you've been working for, or how you are as a personality. Just working on yourself brings its own rewards and laurels. So there's a lot of success showing up in the month of September. It's just that I'm going to charge your throat chakra, so that whatever you're saying doesn't bring in a lot of pain for whatever reason. So I'm going to charge the throat chakra with Reiki distance healing.